Sorry, I just got to finger it a bit. All right, here's the most common problem I see with vinyl or plastic dryer vents. When they open up, they get stuck because they get warped with the sun. So you can see how bent this top louver is. So it really should be replaced with something more rigid, firm metal. And holy smokes, look at this. Oh my God. All this lint has been blocked up. Oh my. Sorry, I just got to finger it a bit. Because there's a screen, there's a cage on the front of this dryer vent. Oh, I could have just done that.